Now to get started on this job, one of the first things that you're going to want to do is take a jack with some wood and you're going to carefully get underneath the oil pan right here as flat as possible. Just apply a light amount of pressure, just enough to hold the engine, and then we can get back up underneath the hood. Let's use our 18mm to remove this. Alright, make sure you get the washer off of there, put that right on the bolt, set this aside. Now we can do the second 18mm headed bolt. Let's go ahead and grab onto this, remove it from the vehicle. Now we can get ready to install our brand new mount. You have your vibration dampener. You want to have that located facing upward here. Go ahead and slide it into position. I'm going to take my top bolt, we'll put that right through. Start that in a couple good threads. We're not going to tighten this up yet until we start our other bolt. Slide that right through. Now at this point we can bottom out both bolts. Now we can go ahead and torque each of these bolts to 59 foot-pounds. Remove your jack.